Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing experience. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for coming in. Hope to see you next time. But with that, let's get right into it. Beard of God is the company that I'm going to unbox for you today. I'm going to go ahead and just get right into it. I didn't film a time-lapse one like I have before, but you know what? I love working with this company. They always send me out some stuff, so thank you so much for the package. I appreciate it and your continued support. It just keeps the channel going and growing, so thank you. All right, everybody. So they sent out a package right here. And if I know them, I know that they probably threw it in a mailer as well. Bam. There we go. Don't need that now, do we? So, like I said, they always throw it into a bubble mailer as well. I love they use the gold mailers. It gives that godlike feeling, I guess, is what they're going for. And they're doing it with this gold bubble mailer. I like it. It's different. It's flashy. It's nice. And then cool thing is that they just tape it. So you can reuse this to send stuff out to somebody. They don't seal them with the sticky that comes in there. I like that. Recycle, reuse, and renew, right? There we go. Ooh. Something leaked. Look, guys. Something leaked. Ooh. Oh, I can kind of smell it. Kind of not. Oh, dude, it leaked all the way to the bottom. It's been sitting in this box for like a couple days. No. I blame this on USPS. This mailer, I don't know if I'll be able to reuse. So this is wash, and I don't have anything to like wipe it off with, so we're just going to go ahead and just open it, and I'll just set it down somehow. It was the wash that leaked. Oh, dude, come on. Why? I like their wash too. They got a good wash. But it was the wash that leaked. At least I think it was. Because look, there's some of it missing, and it's just all over the top right there. That's unfortunate. Man. Well, this one is called Tobacco Havana. These stickers right here, these look better than the ones from last run. These look a little bigger, I want to say. Nice. 2 stickers. Love me some stickers. Bam. Okay, so let's see. I don't know how I'm going to wrap this up so it doesn't get on everything. Ooh, I shouldn't have tossed that cardboard over there. I should have left it. Okay. It's got like paper-like little... I think we had some of this last time. I can't remember. It's been a few months, but they always usually send me some stuff. I had to have been, yeah, it was the wash. And it comes in like this cool branded tissue paper with beards, glasses. I like that. I've always liked this. This is really cool. This is really cool. And it's branded too. Yeah, it was the wash. It's all good though. It happens in transit. I blame Postal Service for that one. They must have smashed it in between something to make that happen. But not to worry, because they also bubble wrapped this as well. So it actually didn't get onto barely. I don't know if you'll guys be able to tell, but right here, barely. They bubble wrapped that. And it comes in a nice little travel bag. These things are awesome. I have like 4 or 5 of these now. Probably like 4. I think 4 or 5. So these are always nice, and they zip open and zip close to keep your product secure. Ooh, what is this? There we go. This comes bubble wrapped as well. And this is their pocket brass comb, which is also branded, which is really cool. Right there. Beard of God. Nice little travel comb. There you go. Look at that. It glides right through. Well, some people are skeptical about the metal combs. But their combs, the metal combs, actually pretty nice. They do glide through, so give it a shot. And here is the oil. They do the black bottles, so you can't see how much is in it, which is okay. But nice black bottles. Show you right there. This one's called Tobacco Havana. So this is going to be a tobacco scent. Don't know the profile yet, but you'll soon know because I will do a scent review on this. I've already reviewed the company as a whole, so I will just do like a scent review and let you guys know. This has directions, ingredients, the caution, the amount, handcrafted in Orlando, Florida, the logo, nice label, nice little artwork. It's got like a little Cuban guy in the back. I want to say that's him. Hey, does he have a cigar in his mouth? Yep, he has a cigar. He has a suit with the hat and everything. That is awesome. Like that. Remember, they have no parabens, GMOs, or silicone in their formula. It's your 1 ounce. And it's a pump top. Not my favorite. I don't like the pump top. But with pump top, you get longer lasting shelf life out of your products. There's no air going in there from you opening and closing it. So good on them. But yeah, and then it's got this little, whatever you want to call this thing, kind of protect it so it doesn't go squeeze on by itself. This is the beard balm right here, and it comes in a black tin. Also screw on top. And the beard butter. Now their butter is just so nice. It's a whipped butter. They call it facial deliciousness, and I would agree very much so. Soft, creamy and textured. That's what it says right here on the can, and that lives up to the description on the can. I'll show you guys. Hopefully it doesn't melt in transit. Oh yeah, didn't melt. Look at that. Boom. What you know about that? Woo. Look at that, just creamy goodness. And they come in the gold can, which I have always liked that they do that. It's super nice. All right, let's do it. Let's see. Whew. Tobacco Havana. That's what it's called. Yes. Okay. Nope. And that is a nice tobacco scent. It's smooth, it's light, it's soft. It's not overly tobacco scented. So if you're not into tobacco scents, this one might actually be nice for you to try out. Maybe get you into them. I used to not be about them, and then I got some good ones, and they're the business. Yeah. Get a little more tobacco out of the balm. It's a little deeper in the balm, but still not overly offensive. It's not overly loud. It's not a super strong scent. But it is nice. It's a nice scent, really. I'm glad they sent out the wash. I like their wash a lot. That's the stuff. There we go. Come on. All right, let me close it up. Shake it up a little bit. Yeah, it's just a nice tobacco, smooth tobacco, soft tobacco scent. It's nothing super overpowering, nothing crazy. I think this is a very nice scent. It's very smooth and subtle that you could wear it just about anywhere and probably not offend anybody. I know some people may not want tobacco scent, but this is very well done. It's blended very well. Can't wait to see what it's like in beard. Little bummed that the wash leaked and I lost some of the wash, but it's still fairly full, so no big deal. And you can tell they even tape it. So it's crazy that it leaked because they even tape it. Look at that. They tape it shut so that it doesn't pop open during the transit. Let's see. And it's not loose or anything. So Postal Service must have done something to squeeze the heck out of this thing in that package. Oh, no, wait. Yeah. And it leaked out the very top of it right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I saw some bubbles when I squeezed it. There you go. So that's where it must have squeezed out of, and in the back right here. So unfortunately I did lose some of the wash, but got some on my nose. That's okay. Their wash doesn't linger, so the wash seems to be stronger in scent. It's a nice wash though, and look, it's got a nice color to it. Cool color. I've always liked how they look. Their wash looks cool. The Oud one has like a little purple tint to it too, which is cool. Little container it comes in, push top. So thank you guys so much for checking this out. I appreciate your continued support. Make sure to loop back to the channel, check out the other unboxings and reviews on Beard of God. And make sure to check out the links down below. Make sure to give Beard of God a follow. They're always awesome enough to send me out some stuff, so definitely be sure to follow them. Check out their website. Grab yourself some goodies. You saw that butter. That butter is amazing. I love their butter. It's a nice whipped creamy butter. Definitely gets the job done and does it very well. So, yeah, go check them out. And catch you guys on the next one. Later.